it's double wall vent. This is B vent. It's double wall vent, meaning there's an inner vent and then there's an outer shell around it. So it's two pieces of metal, and the flue gas from here only goes in the middle.
Okay.
So this is a B vent, and the reason appliances have to be vented in B vent gives you a 1-inch clearance to combustibles instead of like a 6-inch clearance if it's single wall. Most appliances will come together, and anytime they come together, they have to come together into a B vent, and then it goes B vent up and out of the roof. So this is B vent, then you're allowed to run single wall down to the appliance. Here they have B vent, a reducer going to B vent, but then right here they have a single wall section.
Okay.
And then more B vent. That's not okay. You're
Okay.
not allowed to go B vent, single wall B vent. It's not. Right now it's venting mostly. I've got 1 ppm. That's probably just 1 ppm is acceptable. If it starts to skyrocket, it's something to be concerned about. But this isn't code. That's not okay. That should be fixed.
Okay.
It should be a 6-inch B vent coupler right there, so or pipe, so that this goes to B vent to B vent to B vent there. Or this should have been a single wall 90, probably would have been okay too, to where it's B vent, switches to single wall, goes down. I don't see anything here that's considered a combustible material, so that also would have been okay. It just wasn't okay that they used a B vent.